Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to fix Facebook glitch. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you notice that your Facebook application is misbehaving, then there are some solutions that you could try out. The first one is to make sure that you are connected to an internet, of course. Try switching between Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and the next thing to do is to tap open your Play Store or your App Store. Search for Facebook into the search bar. Once you make your search, in the search result, if you see an update button, that means you'll need to update your Facebook application to the latest version. Sometimes because of the outdated version that might have some of the bugs in it, might be the main reason for your Facebook glitch. So in that case, tap on the update button, and once updated to the latest version of Facebook, you can tap open your Facebook and see if that fixes your issue. If you don't see an update button, instead you can see an open button, that means your application is already updated and you don't need to be doing that right now. Wait until the update is completed in order to open up your Facebook app. Once updated to the latest version, go back to Facebook and see if that fixes your issue. If it still does not, the next thing to do is to simply go to your settings from your Android device, give it a tap, and from the settings menu, tap on apps. From the list of the apps displayed, select Facebook. Soon after you do that, from the app info page, tap on storage. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right, which will clear out all of your cache files that has been piled up on your Facebook app. Soon after you do that, go back to Facebook and try launching on your application back again. If nothing else works out, simply uninstall your Facebook application from your system and reinstall it back by downloading from the Play Store. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to use your Facebook application like you were supposed to. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.